Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Solana coin. As earlier in my last video, we have already discussed that this $130 has become a key support for the price line of Solana, because you can see the price line is not breaking down this support, because this level has been working as a support and resistance in the previous history of Solana. Like here, we can see at the end of August, it has been working as a resistance here and as a support for the several days. It was working as a support here, and even though we had a very drastic drop here on 7th of September, but the price line reversed back and could not break down this $130 support level. And after that, the price line has been using this level as a support here, and here, and right now the price line is again moving down to test this $130 support level. So this level has become a key support, and it is really difficult for the price line to break down this support so far. After the $130, we have the next support at $115, and here we had a spike up to $115, but the price line, after testing this level, reversed back and rallied up to $152 and eventually moved down at this support of $130. And after $130 support, we have the next resistance at $138 and then $150. Right now the price line is again moving between $138 to $130, and previously the price line was moving in a down channel, and this was, let me show you the previous channel. Here the price action broke out the resistance of the previous channel, and let me draw the support for you as well. This was the support of the previous channel. We had a nice breakout, we had a nice retest, moved up again, and again we had another retest. That was the confirmation for the breakout, and again the price line is still moving here sideways, and at the same time the price line has also formed another down channel. While it is out of this previous down channel, it has formed another resistance and support, and this is the new support and resistance of the newly formed down channel. This is the resistance, and here we have the support of the newly formed down channel. And right now the price line is rejected by the resistance and moving down. If it will test the support of the down channel, then the price line can move down here approximately at $120, so it can have another reversal between $130 to $115 after using this support of the down channel, because we have this support between $115 to $130 support and resistance levels. However, so far you can see that the price line is not able to break down this support of $130. So it is also possible that without retesting this level, this support of the channel, the price line will move up and make another attempt to break out this newly formed resistance of this down channel. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame, then here we have been watching that the price line was moving above a complete open alligator mouth that was formed by the simple moving averages on the daily time frame by 25, 50, 100 and 200. So far this open alligator mouth is not closed. The first sign for a closing of this mouth will be when the 25 simple moving average will cross down this 50 simple moving average. So far this move is not happened, therefore the open alligator mouth is still in action. So we can expect that the price line, after, if we will have a reversal after this breakout from this channel, then we can have a powerful move that the price line can again travel above these this open alligator mouth for the next long-term rally. Now if we take a look at the oscillator, then on the daily time frame chart, the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. Therefore we had a reversal, we had another rejection by the 25 simple moving average, move down again, and this has happened before when we had the previous open alligator mouth formation here. The price line started a very big rally after that, but here for a while the price action moved between 25 and 50 simple moving averages and moved up again, and the open alligator mouth was still open, and the price line traveled above this open alligator mouth for the next rally. So we can have another move like that. If we will have a breakout from this channel, then we can have another move that the price line can also break out this resistance of the 25 simple moving average, and it can again start the next move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.